Namaste yoga practitioner. In today's video we're talking about active pranayama that we call Bhastrika Pranayama. I will show you two variations of Bhastrika Pranayama. First one, we're placing the both hands on the knees and spine erect and start creating the exhale and inhale with the same rhythm. The another variation of Bhastrika Pranayama we can practicing by using our hand. So inhale, we're raising the hands up, and with exhale, we're bending the elbow and creating that force. So with the inhale, this way we can practicing a active pranayama that we call Bhastrika Pranayama. It will improve your lungs and strengthen your lungs for further pranayama practice. Thank you. Namaste.